thought Marv was in service, and that, of course I rented the rooms out upstairs.
Well, my diary's full of that.
And this one night, that damn furnace would not work. It wouldn't work. It was about 2 o'clock in the morning.
She's always taking it apart.
And I didn't treat it right.
She'd take it apart and have it all laid out on
I called Jim Rubison, and I never heard a grown man, cuss
Jim
anybody
Rubison.
like he did me.
For tearing the furnace apart?
She'd take anything apart, she couldn't get back together.
Now, was that a coal furnace or a gas? Or?
It was cold, 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, but...
And the rooms were rented out upstairs.
She was right uptown, yeah, still.
Boy, can Jim Rubison cuss. Woo.